Embracing nature's way. The essence of organic farming. Organic farming represents a harmonious approach to agriculture. It prioritizes the health of our planet and its inhabitants. At its core, organic farming avoids the use of synthetic fertilizers. It shuns synthetic pesticides and genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. This commitment to natural processes fosters a healthy and sustainable agricultural ecosystem. Organic farming focuses on building a living soil. A living soil teems with beneficial organisms. These organisms play a vital role in nutrient cycling. They break down organic matter. This process releases nutrients in a form readily available to plants. This natural approach not only nourishes our crops, but also protects our environment. Organic farming embraces biodiversity. It promotes a healthy balance of plants and animals within the farm ecosystem. Crop rotation, cover cropping, and the use of natural pest control methods all contribute to this balance. This integrated approach helps to build resilience against pests and diseases, reducing the need for external inputs. In essence, organic farming is a holistic system. It views the farm as an interconnected web of life. By working with nature, rather than against it, organic farming provides a sustainable and ethical way to produce our food. The language of plants. Understanding nutrient uptake in organic systems. To truly grasp organic nutrient management, we must first understand how plants eat. Contrary to what some might believe, plants do not absorb nutrients in their complex organic forms. They can't directly take up a protein molecule from compost and utilize it. Instead, plants rely on their roots to take up nutrients in simple, inorganic forms. Think of it like this. Plants speak the language of ions. These are atoms or molecules that carry an electrical charge. Nitrogen, for example, is taken up by plants primarily as nitrate, NO3, or ammonium, NH4+ ions. Phosphorus is absorbed as phosphate, H2PO4 or HPO42 ions. These ions are the building blocks of plant nutrition. Organic matter, while rich in nutrients, is not directly plant food. It is the food for soil microorganisms. These microscopic helpers break down organic matter through a process called mineralization. This process converts complex organic molecules into those simple inorganic ions that plants crave. This understanding is crucial in organic farming. It highlights the importance of maintaining a healthy and active soil ecosystem. By providing the right conditions for soil microorganisms to thrive, organic farmers ensure that nutrients are continuously released in a form readily available to their crops. A symphony of practices. Key components of organic nutrient management. Organic farming is about proactive steps to build soil fertility and nourish crops. Seed selection. Organic farming begins with the seed. Organic farmers choose seeds from organic crops, untreated with synthetic chemicals. This ensures plants are strong and healthy. Weed and pest control. Organic farmers use ecological strategies. Crop rotation disrupts pest life cycles and reduces weed pressure. Fertilizer use. Building soil fertility is paramount. Organic farmers rely on natural inputs to feed the soil. Compost is a powerhouse of nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Properly composted animal manures provide valuable nutrients. Cover crops protect and improve the soil, fixing nitrogen for subsequent crops. These practices create a closed-loop system, recycling nutrients and minimizing waste. Section 4. The Balancing Act. Navigating the challenges of organic farming. Organic farming offers many benefits, but it also comes with challenges. These require careful planning and understanding of ecological principles. Organic farming can be labor-intensive and costly, but products often command premium prices. Organic produce may not meet conventional aesthetic standards, posing market challenges. Phosphorus management is crucial using rock phosphate and crop rotations. Addressing nutrient transfer requires localized food systems and sustainable practices. Section 5. Reaping the rewards. Environmental and health benefits of organic agriculture. The benefits of organic farming extend far beyond the farm gate. By working in harmony with nature, organic agriculture offers a wealth of rewards for both the environment and human health. Soil health and biodiversity. Organic farming practices, with their emphasis on building soil organic matter, enhance soil structure, water holding capacity, and nutrient cycling. This creates a fertile and resilient foundation for plant growth while supporting a diverse community of soil organisms. Reduced pollution. Organic farming significantly reduces pollution from synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. By avoiding these chemical inputs, organic agriculture protects our waterways, air, and wildlife from harmful contaminants. Healthier food. Organic produce is grown without the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and genetically modified organisms. Studies have shown that organic fruits, vegetables, and grains often contain higher levels of beneficial nutrients and antioxidants, while being free from harmful chemical residues. By choosing organic, we are investing in a healthier and more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Section 6. Bridging the gap. Integrating organic practices for a sustainable future. While a complete transition to 100% organic agriculture worldwide may present challenges, integrating key organic practices into conventional farming systems offers a pragmatic pathway towards a more sustainable future for food production. Conventional agriculture, with its reliance on synthetic inputs, has undoubtedly increased yields and efficiency. However, this has come at a cost to our environment and, potentially, our health. By adopting certain organic practices, conventional farmers can mitigate these negative impacts while reaping some of the benefits of organic systems. For example, reducing tillage, a common practice in conventional agriculture, can improve soil health and reduce erosion. Integrating cover crops into rotations can suppress weeds, enhance soil fertility, and protect water quality. Precision farming techniques can optimize fertilizer and pesticide applications, minimizing their environmental footprint. By embracing these and other organic practices, conventional agriculture can move towards a more sustainable and resilient model. This integration of approaches offers a practical and impactful way to address the challenges facing our food system. Section 7. Sowing the seeds of change, a call to action. Organic farming, with its holistic approach to agriculture, offers a compelling vision for a healthier and more sustainable future. While challenges remain, the benefits of organic practices are undeniable. It's up to each of us to embrace the principles of organic agriculture and support its growth in whatever ways we can. As informed consumers, we can choose to support organic farmers by purchasing organic products whenever possible. We can educate ourselves about the true costs of our food choices and advocate for policies that promote sustainable agriculture. As students and future leaders, we have a responsibility to explore innovative solutions to the challenges facing our food system. By studying organic agriculture, conducting research, and advocating for change, we can contribute to a future where sustainable and equitable food production becomes the norm. Let us each plant the seeds of change today, so that future generations can harvest the bounty of a healthy and thriving planet.